This hard-working cow was riding her green motorcycle back home from the office. But on the way, some drunk bears were sitting on the road, gambling and drinking. They stopped the cow and forced her off the bike. One of the bears made her drink alcohol. The cow fainted right there, and all the bears ran away. A kind man saw the cow and called an ambulance. Help arrived quickly. At the hospital, the doctors gave her an injection and treated her carefully. The next day, the cow was feeling much better and ready to go home. But no one gave a like or subscribed for the doctor who saved her life. Did you?